This might be the most satisfying Nigerian comfort meal you've never tried. Smoky suya, creamy beans, and sweet plantains all in one bowl. Let me show you how I made it. The first step is I'll cook these onion beans plainly and set aside. In Nigeria, we call these Oloyin beans. Pound some real bell pepper and tomatoes. Put some palm oil in a dry pot and allow this to be hot. Then add the plantains to it. Make sure your eyes are on it. Fry this till it's golden brown and turn to the other side. Make sure you're frying this on a medium heat to prevent burning and absorbing too much oil. Plantain is ready at this point, so I'll just drop it. Pour the tomatoes and the bell pepper inside the same oil. The reason why I did this is because I want that plantain sugary taste as well. So I'll just let this fry for some time on medium heat. Then I'll wash some crayfish and pound, then set aside. So I'll keep frying and stirring this for just a few minutes on medium heat. Adding some onions to it, and seasoning. No more seasoning in this food, no more spice, no salt. I didn't add salt because while cooking the beans, I just added a pinch of salt, that's all. And this is crayfish. Just adding all the beans. I wash the beans thoroughly and parboil 3 times, then cook with just salt until it's so tender. And I'll stir this and then cover and allow to simmer on low heat. At this point, the beans is ready. Very soft, juicy, and very creamy. So I'm going to attend to the suya. In an empty pan, I just add some coconuts to grease the pan, and this is on low heat. While it's hot, I add the marinated beef. I actually like marinated beef with some pineapple, few seasoning. Yeah, pineapple. The reason why I added pineapple is just to like make it softer, because I found out that pineapple actually makes beef very, very soft. Yeah, you just marinate it for like 15 minutes. Yeah, depending on how you like it. If you want it to shred, if it's like a thick beef, just like 30 minutes at most. 15 minutes is okay for me. And I am just like, grilling this on the pan. The beef came out very nice and juicy because of the pineapple, and then the other spices added to it. So as you can see, it's very easy to cut and very nice. And this is the beans I'm serving it. It came out very nice, very beautiful, and this is what it looks like. Plantain with the suya. Let me know if you're going to try this recipe. It's actually like very nice, very healthy, and very local. And thank you so much for watching my videos. This is another way of eating it. This is highly proteinous because it comes with like eggs. And would you eat this with egg, or would you just eat it with only the beef, the suya, and the plantain? Whatever you feel like commenting, you can just drop it under the comment section. Thank you so much for watching to this extent, and see you in my next video. Subscribe, share, and like this video.